Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over surprise pennies, and we have a lot to talk about. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright, now jumping right in, I do want to go ahead and remind everybody that we do have new clearance markdowns, some really good ones I might add. Plus, we have our regular penny list, which I uploaded yesterday. So if you missed that video, make sure that you go and check them out, because there are tons and tons and tons of visuals in that video for you all as well. Now, before we take a look at all the surprise pennies, I do want to remind everybody that the #1 rule to penny shopping is that we do not ask employees about penny items. All you have to do is go into the store, look for the items that I'm going to show you all in this video. If you find them, scan them with your Dollar General app. Make sure you have your correct store location set, because as with all penny lists, your miles may vary. And if that item scans and it shows up the price at 000 or 001, that means that you have in fact found a penny item. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right in. First up, we have the Ritz Toasted Chips Ranch flavored 8.1 ounce bags. The UPC code is on your screen. And then we also have a cashback offer for $2 back when you purchase two. So if you can find two of these, that's going to make your final price completely free, plus a $1.98 moneymaker. Next up, we also have the chocolate pretzel flips. 5-ounce bags, UPC code is on the screen there. And then we also have a 75-cent cashback offer on these. So if you find one, pick one up. Your final price is going to be completely free, plus a 74-cent moneymaker. Now, I also want to remind everybody that if you do not like the cashback offers, or if you don't have them on your account yet, don't forget that we pretty much have the same exact offers on Ibotta as well. So clip those to your account before you go out to the store. That way, you'll know they'll be there if you find those items. And if you're not already signed up for Ibotta, my referral code is on the screen here, as well as down in the description box below. And if you use it, I believe right now it is at a $10 welcome bonus. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and let these items scroll across your screen here while I chit-chat for just a quick second. I do want to remind you all that I am still getting organized. So while the majority of these I can confirm are brand new surprise pennies that just pennied out this morning, there might be one or two in there that I have missed from previous weeks. So if there are old surprise pennies in here, please forgive me. I promise you guys, I'm working on a better way to organize all of these things. And I do have somebody that is going to help me go through all the pictures and the list. And, you know, gosh, if you guys saw it, you'd be like, OMG, what are you doing? You are crazy. So anyways, just bear with me. But like I said, the majority of these should be brand new surprise pennies. We have all of these new candy items. And if you watched the video yesterday, you already know that we have a lot more candy items that are also included. Now, just a quick little hint that I have noticed with all these items, a lot of them are the peg bags. So make sure that y'all check out the end caps, on the side of the end caps, up and down the candy aisle, the $1 food aisle if you have that, as well as up near the register. And then we also have some that are the share-sized bags, and I would say that those are probably in the candy aisle, or all of these. Keep in mind that all of these have been on clearance. They have been included in the clearance events, so all of these items you could find in your clearance section as well. And also, another quick reminder, don't forget to check those expiration dates. That is important, especially with food items, because the Dollar General employees do not have to sell you expired items. And let me tell you all, especially when you are dealing with Dollar General and clearance food or penny food, you definitely want to check those expiration dates. I remember a couple of clearance events back, We had some like hot Cheetos that were included. I bought like 4 or 5 bags. I think they ended up being like 20 or 30 cents each because this was at a 70% off store. Well, a couple days later, I opened up a bag to try them out, and they literally smelt like dust because they were about 3 years past their expiration date. So, double check your expiration dates. Now, also, one last thing before I let you all go, I do want to point out that on these Laffy Taffy candies, we had 3 in yesterday's video that are very similar. They are the same flavor, not the same size bag, and definitely not the same UPC code. So, if you see any of these Laffy Taffies, make sure that you scan before you go up to the register, because, like I said, there are different sizes, same flavors, different sizes included that have pennied out this morning. So just be aware of that. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. Good luck penny shopping today. Please come back and let me know how it all worked out for you. What did you find? How many items? Did you run into any expiration date issues? I want to know all the things. So please come back and let me know about it down in the comment section below. And of course, before you go, make sure that you do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have an amazing day. And I will see you on the next one.